So here's a video in which how you can book your on-demand remote examination for ACCA. Now this is for on-demand remote examination, your knowledge level examination or your FIA route examination in India. So this particular link, I have kept it in the description below. What you can do is go out there, click on the link, and then start booking your examination. I have seen this happen with students that so from where can we book it? It is one big time question. Most of the times the academies do it themselves only. But for now, I just want to keep it in front of you so that you can just go ahead, book your examination, give your examination, pass, and move forward. All right. So this is what is the link. You click the link, and this is specifically in India. If you are outside India, then you need to just go back and change your country and then go ahead, and you need to check whether it is available there or not. So I'm just clicking here to start. First of all, you need to know that which level are you registered with ACCA. Now how are you going to know that is nothing but just go towards accaglobal.com. Like suppose just go towards the home page. You can log in there. Like suppose I'm just logging in here. You can log in here, put down your registration number, put down your password. When you go in there, when you get the option of booking the examination, if you get the option of foundation or ACCA, accordingly understand if you have to book a FIA route exam or you have to book a normal ACCA examination, you need to have a proper understanding of that. Now I don't have the ACCA account in here of a student, but let me tell you that you will know it once you just log in there. Now understand this, that there's no difference between the syllabus of the two. For now, I'm going ahead with the foundation level examination. You can go with anyone, like suppose let's just take ACCA route. I just proceed. I proceed. I can take any of these examinations. I proceed again. Then I consent the biometric processing. Fine, proceed again. Then I confirm pre-check terms. Pre-check confirmation is that it is you who's responsible, who knows all these things, that your system is checked, the examination which you are booking, that's right. Okay. Then you have the right device, you have the proper software installed. Now you will have the proper software installed because once you book the examination, that software will get downloaded. That's a pre thing to be getting in your system. So for your examination, you just need a proper laptop with a camera and a proper internet connection. That will be fine. Make sure that there's no other ad blockers and all that stuff are not there on that, so that you have a proper examination. Now this is for those who are under the age of 18. You can just click here declaration that you are above 18 and proceed. If not, then you can enter those details, proceed forward. Now you need to enter your ACCA student registration number, your full name, your last name, your date of birth, your address, your proper means address, your phone number, email address is one thing which you need to make sure that it's accurate. You need to make sure that it's accurate because that should be linked towards your ACCA account. Then only you get that shown in the Proctor U. And then you can just go ahead, choose your examination. Has your employer provided any exam voucher? Just put down no there. That will be fine. I hope that this step is clear. So let me just fill up the details and go towards the next step. So once I fill up the details, I press the next button, then I have this particular thing in front of me that I need to go ahead and make the payment. So if I just click on it, I can get that. I can go ahead towards paying the examination. So you got the option to pay now. In fact, you have to pay it now. And one more thing, this is for your understanding, that if suppose it does not go through, or if suppose the payment does not happen, there's no problem at all. You can anytime just go back, enter all the details again and go towards the payment. Not problem at all. Most of the times the payment will not go through if you do not have a debit card or a credit card which has international payments activated. If you have the international payments activated, then you can easily enter and get that payment done. So make sure that your card is accepting it or is able to do international payments. If it's able to do international payments, then that won't be a problem to you. And if suppose you do not have an international card, at the worst case, you can reach out to me. I can help you out with that. You can transfer the amount to me and I can make that a payment for you. But try doing it yourself. Try being independent in doing that work. All right. So I'll just enter up my details and go through this particular payment. So once you are done, you would receive this particular, receipt that, okay, your payment is done. This is the particular booking ID. You've received it. So what happens here is you receive an email. So once you receive that email, you need to go open up that particular email, click on that continuing to book your examination. You can go ahead, book the examination, then and there you can go for. So now let's move forward towards it. So once I get that email, what next is to finish your and complete your booking. So I click here and then sign in and accept with an existing user. But if you're not an existing user, you need to sign up and accept with a new user. So most of the times, if you've already given an examination, then that's fine. Otherwise, you need to then go again, register yourself on the Proctor the place where you would be giving your examination. Make sure that you select this institution. And once that's fine, you don't need to add another institution again here. Then again, you enter in your details, your mobile number, you create a ID, password, you put down your address, and then that will be fine for it. So I'll just quickly enter this address and move towards the next step. So one more thing I just wanted to tell you about the previous step is that you need to make sure that when you are in India, the time zone which you select is +5:30. And are you an EU citizen? No, you're not. If you are, then you put down yes. Now you have the time to select your date. Like if you see, it's 22nd of November, I'm booking the examination, but the date which is available to me is on 29th. So I can do it anytime. When can you give the examination? Students have this particular question. So whenever you make this payment, you have the option 7 days from now. Like suppose if I'm booking it tomorrow, suppose tomorrow I want to book the examination, then this 29th option will also go off and I'll have this 30th first. These options I'll have. So once I have this option, 29th, I have an option. I just put down submit with a particular time. So they'll give me these options available. So I need to click them twice, and then the examination will be booked for that particular time. So if you want it at that particular time, it should be accordingly. All right. So I'll just go ahead and book a particular time. So once I select the time, I just need to click schedule, and there's a complete drop down. Okay. I need to accept this, agree with the terms and conditions. You can just go ahead, read it. That will be fine, and your session is booked. Reservation is complete. That's done. You just need to be ready for your examination on this particular date and give the exam. So that's how the examination is booked. That's how you can schedule your examination and give your examination. If you're having any more questions related towards how to, which computer you need to have or where you need to give the examination, see, it's completely your preference. You can just sit at a quiet place, a quiet room, a system, a laptop, a camera with it. That will be more than enough. The only thing which I want you guys is not to panic and give the examination. I have many students who have already given it. I have many student interviews which I have put down on YouTube. You can go there, watch their videos. They've also given their examination online. Get that experience and make sure that you also qualify in your examination. All the very best for it. This is for the knowledge level. For skills level, again, you can go online itself, but you don't need to do it in this manner. You have to do it in another manner. If you want me to make a video for how to book a skills level or a professional level examination, then also you can put down it below, but that video I'll be making it in some time. Make sure that you put it down, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this video is helpful for you. All right. Thank you for watching.